Hi guys, this is your 5-year-old little girl, Wonder Pung Pung. These are the Rufous Hornbill, also known as the Philippine Hornbill. Sa Tagalog po ay kalaw. They are referred by locals as the clock of the mountains due to its large blooming call, which typically occur of every hour. Although they can fly, they spend most of their time walking around the ground. They can live up to 50 years when cared by humans. 30 to 40 years if they live in the wild. It is a family of birds, diverse as they are dinosaur-like because they are very aggressive, especially when nesting. That's all. Bye. Love you po, guys. Mwah!